Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 2 question number 23. G is an undirected graph with n vertices and 25 edges such that each vertex of G has degree at least 3. Then the maximum possible value of n is dash. So here it's given degree of each vertex is at least 3 and there are n vertices. N multiplication 3, that should be less than equals to 25 multiplication 2. As we know, sum of all degree equals to 2 multiplication number of edges, and here it's given degree at least 3, that's why it's less than equals to symbol. N will be less than equals to 25 multiplication 2 divide 3. So 50 divide 3, it will be 16.67. Now n is less than this, so n equals to 16. Answer will be 16. This is simple. Just apply the formula, you will get the answer. I already discussed graph theory lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.